Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Saima Javed and I welcome you all in my history club. So today here I have planned another activity of history for you. So let's see what is the name of activity. The name of the activity is Pakistan and the neighboring countries. Here you can see a map is shown to you and this is the map of Pakistan, and we all are aware that there are 5 provinces of Pakistan. But in today's activity, we are not concerned and we are not going through with the provinces actually, but we are going with the neighboring countries. And here you can see that how many neighboring countries are there. There are 4 neighboring countries shown to you in this map. The first neighboring country is India. The second neighboring country is Iran. The third neighboring country is Afghanistan, and the fourth neighboring country is China. So in this today's activity, we are going to just learn briefly about the neighboring countries of Pakistan and how they are having in the relation with Pakistan. So let's see who is our first neighboring country. Our first neighboring country is India. So what are the relation between Pakistan and India? Here you can see Indo-Pak relations. The two flags are given to you, and let's discuss about the relation of Pakistan and India. Since 1947, Indo-Pak relations have been under the shadows of suspicion, misunderstanding, disappointment, tensions, and wars. Both states never succeeded to win the mutual trust of each other because their unresolved disputes and lack of cooperation between them. But for this purpose, both countries have to overcome their short sighted plans and they have to reconsider their policies towards each other. So, India and Pakistan, they are always having the conflicts between themselves. So, War of 1965, War of 1971, and Kashmir issues are the major conflicts between them. So, this was for Pakistan and India relationship. Now, let's see what is the next country. Now, our next neighboring country is Iran, and here you can see Pakistan and Iran relationship are given to you, and these are the flags of both countries. And what does the relation say? Just check it. Pakistan and Iran are close neighbors sharing 909-kilometer borders in the western side. They are bound together in culture, religion, ethnicity, and tradition since times immemorial. Iran was the first country to accord international recognition to Pakistan when it was established in 1947. Both of the countries have supported each other financially, economically, militarily, and politically. So, this was all for the history relationship of Pakistan and India, but still they are sharing their imports and exports to each other as well. Now, our next neighboring country is China, and here you can see a flag of China and Pakistan are merged together. So, we are having very good relation with China. So, Pak China relationship background. What is the background for Pak China relationship? Let's have a look. Pakistan has a long and symbiotic relationship with China, which is based on mutual support. Pakistan and China relationship began in 1950 as Pakistan is the first Muslim country to establish relations with China. Pakistan helped China to build a relation with Muslim world. And due to Pakistan, China became the member of UN, that is United Nations. The two countries had regularly exchanged high-level visits resulting in the variety of agreements. Diplomatic relations were established in 1950, military assistance began in 1966, and economic cooperation began in 1979. This was a historical relationship between Pakistan and China, but still Pakistan and China are also developing their new agreements these days as well for the future as well. Our next neighboring country is Afghanistan, and let's have a look on Pakistan and Afghanistan relationship. Here you can see the flags of both countries, and the relation war began in 1947. Pakistan and Afghanistan have much common relations. They not only share the same frontier, but they have inherited common historical culture and religion traditions as well. Both are the neighboring countries, both countries are Islamic as well. Pakistan and in Afghanistan are the part of South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, that is called as SARC. Embassy of Pakistan in Kabul and Embassy of Afghanistan is in Islamabad. Both countries face significant challenges in their respective security, political, and economic over coming years. So these are the historical relationship, and the Pakistan and Afghanistan boundary was drawn in 1893 by Sir Mortimer Durand. The boundary was accepted by the King of Afghanistan in 1893, and the definition of this boundary is called Durand Line. So this was about Pakistan and Afghanistan relationship. So this was all for our neighboring countries. Hope you all have liked this information, and it was a brief review of our neighboring countries. So this is a time to say Allah Hafiz, Jazakallah Khair.